Good afternoon, class. Today, I'm going to discuss with you how to find the GCD of two numbers using Euclidean algorithm. So, this is how you're going to do it. So, right here, we have to find the GCD of 9 and 62. So, how do we find the GCD using Euclidean algorithm? This is how you're going to find it. The Euclidean algorithm is in the form A is equal to Q times B plus R. So, take note. This B is your divisor and Q is the quotient. And then we have R as the remainder. So we're going to express the numbers using this format. So let's have here the larger number, which is 62. We equate it using the smaller number, which is 9. How many 9 do we have in 62? We have 6. But 6 times 9 is 54. We still have remainder. What's the remainder? The remainder is 8. So, after that, we're not yet done. So, we're going to write again 9 and then equate it using the remainder 8. So, this is how you're going to do it, ha? This is the way. We're going to bring down 9 here. Tapos, yung remainder nandito naman sa kabila. Then, ulit-ulit lang po. Then, ilang 8 naman meron sa 9? Isa. Pero may sobra pa tayong isa. So, that's your remainder. We're not yet done until we reach the remainder 0. So, since hindi pa tapos, ibababa na naman natin yung 8. Ayan. Then, ano naman yung susunod na ibababa natin? Yung remainder, which is 1. Tapos, ilang 1 meron sa 8? 8. Okay? So, ito yung 1, yung divisor nyo po yan. And yung 8 naman yung quotient nyo. So, baliktad lang QB or BQ, parehas lang po yan. So, 1 times 8 is 8. So, wala na tayong remainder. So, we're going to write here 0 as our remainder. Then, tapos na tayo. Ano ngayon ang GCD? The GCD is the number on top of your 0. So, on top of your 0 is 1. So, this is now your GCD. So, we write here, the GCD of 9 and 62 is equal to 1. Then, you're done. That's your GCD. Sometimes, hindi naman masyadong mahaba ang solution. Sometimes, medyo mahaba yung solution. And pare-paras lang naman po ang steps. Huwag lang kayong magkakamali mag-divide at mag-add ng remainder. That's it. Thank you so much.